Sir, BRV, Ford Territory Sport or X-Force GT? Thank you. Sige, Black News PH, shoutout sa'yo, tara sagutin natin. So out of your choices, si Honda BRV yung pinaka mura dito sa choices na to at 1.4 million, ganon. Si Ford Territory Sport tsaka si X-Force GT, both are around the 1.6 million mark. Now, having that said, 1.4 million lang si BRV but you get 7 seats. And then, meron ka ring Honda Sensing, yung side tsaka likuran, forward mitigation, collision system, ganun, safety features niya. But wala kang 360-degree camera. Then, si Mitsubishi X-Force GT top of the line, wala rin siyang 360-degree camera and you only have 5 seats as well. So out of these three that you asked about, no, si Ford Territory, yung pinaka sulit in terms of features. Tad-tad to sa features, sobra. The downside nga lang is that with the BRV tsaka Mitsubishi, medyo may sense of peace of mind in terms of reliability because yan nga, Japanese brand stigma, Ford stigma, reliability, ganyan. So if you can make sure to hear about Ford Territory owners, then you can go for the Ford Territory. Not to mention that kung ako lang, sobrang premium nung feels nung Territory and I'm really drawn to it so far. Not to mention the tech din, diba? Features, ganyan, premium feeling. So actually guys, si HR-V yung pangtapat ni Honda dito sa segment na to. And we just did an in-depth comparison of this segment guys and it's now out on our channel. So you can go ahead to our YouTube playlist. Sobrang daling hanapin. You can go ahead and watch it for more information. So sana nakatulong. Follow for more.